good deeds that please God. Love family and friends. Be kind to others. Share your blessings. Always pray to God. Always be thankful. Be honest. Be respectful to others that are older than me and you. Always trust God in His faith.
Okay, why do we need to do good deeds towards other people?
We have to do those good deeds to other people to please God. Doing bad is what God hates the most. Sin separates us from God.
Okay. What can you say to all the people who do bad things to others?
I will tell them stop, and I will also tell them always obey God's word, and also to show Him respect and to please Him, and He will give and you will receive your blessings from Him.